What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Big Country Customs coming at you as always. So big news today. I ordered the X-Carve upgrade kit for my CNC machine, and part of it came in. The only part that came in today was the only part that has shipped so far is the 9mm belt upgrade kit and the stepper motor upgrades, which these things are massive and way bigger than the stock stepper motors. So I'm super pumped. I don't see any instructions in here because I was hoping that it would have some sort of let me put this down, hold on. I was hoping it would have some sort of instructions on setup, like that way you can go in and configure your machine. If you like this video, smash the like button. If you would like to subscribe to see more X-Carve upgrade videos as my parts arrive, please do so. I should be getting the Z-axis and all fairly soon. No instructions in here, so I'm not sure. Anyways, I'm not going to put these on until I get my Z-axis, for good reason. I don't want my machine to go out of whack and be different because I have a lot of carves to do this week. So for anybody that subscribed to my channel and you came to watch this video, don't worry, I have more content coming. I have some beautiful cornhole boards that I'm making videos on right now on my workbench that I am almost done with. So once those are done, I will be uploading a video on that. Anyways, just a quick channel update. It's a really small video, but I'm super pumped about the X-Carve upgrade kit. It's gonna carve probably about 2 times faster than I normally can. So I'm pumped. I got videos. I'll be making videos on regular carving and not regular carving with the upgrade. I'll be upgrading it and then making videos, you know what I mean? Like one before and one after. So I'm pretty pumped. Here's a sneak peek on the cornhole boards. Beautiful miters. And then I got the top inlaid or rabbited down into the sides. So that's gonna look awesome. Anyways, thanks for stopping by. Quick video. Thanks for watching. Like I said, if you came here to see the upgrade kit, subscribe. I will have videos on that immediately as soon as it comes out. As soon as I get the Z-axis, everything, I'm gonna have an install video. I'm gonna have a running video, like literally everything. I'm gonna find all the information you need and I'm gonna have it in front of you so that you can use it when you install your X-Carve upgrade kit. So anyways, thanks for tuning in. As always, have a good day. Hit the sub button if you want to see some more X-Carve stuff. I'll do more of that on my channel. So you guys have a blessed day, wonderful day, and Big Country out.